Hey everyone, today we're unboxing the 10 factory complete rear axle kit for the Dana 44. Let's get started. Opening the box. What do you notice first? Everything is thoughtfully packed, nestled in corrugated cardboard and protected. Right away you see two axle shafts. They're not just any shafts, they're forged from 4140 chromoly steel, chosen for its exceptional strength and flexibility, and each is finished with a black oxide coating, not just for looks, but for real-world durability. That's how you know you're holding quality in your hands. These axle shafts are engineered with precision at 29 3/4 and 29 1/4 inches. The perfect fit for the Dana 44 in a Jeep JK. But look closer. There's something clever here. On one end, you see a dual lug pattern, 5-on-5 for the stock JK and 5-on-5.5 for even greater versatility. Take a look at the splines. 35 of them. That's not just a number. This big spline upgrade is a testament to strength. These axles are built to handle modern engines' torque and power in real-world situations, both on and off-road. Inside are two smaller boxes. Open them up, and you're greeted by everything you need. The first box contains two rugged retaining plates and a set of wheel studs. The retaining plates are designed to withstand side loads, keeping your bearings and axle housing in perfect condition. And those wheel studs, they're packaged for convenience, organized and ready when you need them. It's a thoughtful design made to make your install as smooth as possible. Now let's crack open the last box. Clear, easy to follow instructions. We've got two ABS tone rings, two axle seals, two high-quality axle bearings, and two lock rings. The ABS tone rings are the secret behind your anti-lock brakes, sending out a pulse that keeps you in control when the road turns unpredictable. The axle seals lock out the grit and grime that can spell disaster. The axle bearings let your wheels glide, and those lock rings hold everything together so nothing comes loose. We asked ourselves, what would it take to make an install so smooth, so complete, you'd feel like you had a factory tech by your side? That's why every piece you need is here. At 10 Factory, quality control isn't a slogan, it's our religion. Our engineers are relentless, chasing perfection and tracking every innovation, so you get an axle kit that's not just good, but legendary. That's the complete rear axle kit for the Dana 44. Unboxed, inspected, and now ready to transform your ride.